I might be late to the review party of the Redmi A3, but with Redmi adding a new device to their entry-level lineup, which is the A series with the A3, the only good upgrade from the predecessor in my opinion is the design, with the color option I have with me, and not to forget that the A3 is fairly priced with the specs it has for today's exchange rate, but I would advise you to add some money to get a better or higher device so you won't feel the weakness of the processor while performing even some basic tasks on this device. What's up guys, it's Michael. This is a $68 or 98,900 naira device that is meant for basic things a regular user needs, which are for calls, chatting, playing music and scrolling on Meta apps and TikTok, which it seems as if this device is overpriced, which is not, because where the Nigeria economy is and the exchange rate is going, nobody knows how much this device can be in the next 1 or 2 months. Even though this device has a 720p resolution, it is decent when watching content on the 6.7 inches LCD display and a high refresh rate of 90Hz. But one thing you observe that this device has is that it is screaming that this device is an entry-level device, from the water drop notch to the big bezels and chain. One thing I really like about this device, which is one of the main selling points of this device, is the design. It really looks different from its predecessor and competitors that makes it stand out from the crowd. It comes in 3 color options, which the blue and black are glossy, but the green I have with me has a leather finish at the rear. I don't know why Redmi will do this by releasing 2 different versions of a device because of the RAM option. Because why is the 3GB RAM version coming with Helio P35 and the 4GB RAM version coming with Helio G36? 2 different experiences for the same phone when you don't even own your own processor. This makes no sense at all. We are getting this kind of processor because of the price it comes in at, which is 98,000 naira or below $80. Like I said earlier, this device comes in 2 storage variants which are currently available in most stores, which are 3GB RAM with 64GB of internal storage, which costs 98,900 naira or $75, and 4GB RAM 128GB of internal storage, which costs 116,000 naira or $87. Don't get too excited about the camera because of the fancy camera layout at the rear, which is 8 megapixel with QVGA lens, which takes okay looking good photos in good lighting, and the front facing camera is a 5 megapixel camera. This is the rear facing camera of the of the Redmi A3 that has dual cameras at the rear. So this is 1x. This is 6x, 5x, A6x. Yeah. There's no image stabilization, so don't expect much. And it's really capped at 1080p. No 4K, no stabilization. As you can see, I'm not even running, I'm working. No stabilization on this device. So, yeah. Hey, what's up guys, it's Michael. So this is a front facing camera test on the Redmi A3, which has a front facing selfie camera. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. It's overexposed, very overexposed. Yeah, camera. We won yesterday. Where's the logo? See the logo. Back I won yesterday, but my backer kit is dirty. The A3 comes with Android 14 Go edition with very little MIUI interface to allow things go well on this device, and it is going to have 2 years of major Android updates, which is Android 15 and Android 16. That means you can use this device for 2 years. The easiest way to unlock this device is through the fingerprint sensor, which is located by the side on the power button. It's not the fastest I have seen on the market around this price, but it does the job. With this device coming with the standard 5000 mAh battery that lasts a whole day for a basic user, it charges really slow, and when I mean really slow, I mean it has a 10-watt power brick included in the box that you have to charge this device overnight for it to fully charge if this device battery percentage eventually goes down to 0%. At the top, we have the headphone jack and the speaker. On the left, we have the cartridge that has its dual 4G nano SIM and an SD card. On the right, we have the volume rockers with the power button that also double down at the fingerprint sensor. At the bottom, we have the mic, Type-C port and speaker grill. Let me know, will you be getting this device after watching this video? Let me know in the comment section below.